Are you ready to accelerate your study sessions? Get ready for how to learn faster with ChatGPT. Say goodbye to slow progress and hello to efficient learning strategies. Let's dive in. Number 1. Create a mind map. If you're fond of using mind maps for studying, getting started can be daunting. ChatGPT can assist in constructing an efficient mind map with just a few prompts. The key is to be specific. The more precise your prompts, the better the resulting mind map. For instance, begin with a topic like diabetes if you're studying medicine. Then ask ChatGPT to generate a mind map. After outlining the central idea, main branches, and sub-branches, you can visually represent them and complete the details yourself. Number 2. Create a study timetable. To save time, you can request ChatGPT to generate a personalized study timetable. Provide specific details about the subject, topics, preferred study methods, and availability. This can be for daily, weekly, or monthly study plans, especially leading up to an exam. Specify subjects like GCSE biology and the topics for each day, week, or month. You can tailor the plan based on time slots, study methods, such as test questions, reading, or watching videos, and even include breaks for meals, exercise, or leisure activities. Number 3. Create recall questions. ChatGPT can assist by generating questions in the style of your exam, which you can practice later. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT to create recall questions tailored to your exam format. In the prompt, specify a topic, such as multiple sclerosis in medicine, and provide detailed instructions for ChatGPT to generate a multiple-choice question with one correct answer and explanations for incorrect options. You can streamline this process by batching multiple questions and saving them to note-taking apps like Notion or Evernote for later review when testing yourself. Number 4. Write an essay. When faced with the challenge of starting an essay, initiating the argument persuasively can be daunting. However, you can leverage generative AI to compose essays on various topics. Begin by outlining the subject, like pollution due to urbanization, then instruct ChatGPT to function as an essay writer, conducting research, formulating a thesis, and crafting a persuasive and informative piece of writing that captivates readers. Number 5. Fill in the blanks. An effective technique for assessing comprehension is to identify missing words. Especially beneficial for language learning, ChatGPT's functionality is integrated into applications like Duolingo. It efficiently generates missing word content, alleviating the need for manual brainstorming. For instance, when focusing on topics like English as a second language, you can instruct ChatGPT to function as a fill-in-the-blank worksheet creator. Its task is to generate worksheets containing sentences with blanks for students to fill in with the correct words. This yields a plethora of practice questions for future study sessions, which is advantageous for both learners and teachers. Number 6. Teach math. In subjects like mathematics or technical fields, comprehending how to solve equations can pose significant challenges, particularly without immediate teacher assistance. Fortunately, ChatGPT can simplify complex topics by providing explanations in layman's terms. Whether you're seeking explanations for concepts or inputting formulas for elucidation, ChatGPT serves as a valuable resource. By requesting ChatGPT to assume the role of a math instructor, it can deliver explanations in easily understandable language, facilitating comprehension and learning. Providing step-by-step guidance on problem-solving techniques and offering detailed demonstrations is crucial for thorough understanding. Number 7. Languages and translation. While traditional translation tools can be cumbersome and time-consuming, relying on Google Translate frequently may not be efficient. However, ChatGPT offers a solution by seamlessly translating any text into English and even refining English language skills for non-native speakers. For instance, you can prompt ChatGPT to function as an English translator, correcting spelling errors and suggesting better synonyms. Simply input any English text or translations, and ChatGPT utilizes its grammar algorithms to enhance the fluency and correctness of the text as much as possible. Number 8. Teach creativity. Learning to foster creativity in oneself or others can be challenging, but games provide an effective learning environment. ChatGPT can transform into a choose-your-own-adventure game with the right prompts. For example, it can simulate this type of game where users input commands, and ChatGPT responds accordingly, offering an interactive and engaging learning experience. Then engage in this activity with creativity and aim to reach the conclusion of the adventure within the allotted time. This exercise stimulates both creativity and imagination and is genuinely enjoyable. In fact, a student has even crafted a Harry Potter choose-your-own-adventure game, which has gained immense popularity online. Number 9. Learn reasoning. The Socratic method employs questioning to explore students' values, principles, and beliefs. Mastering logic and reasoning can be challenging, but ChatGPT can transform into a Socratic figure with the appropriate prompts. For instance, you can instruct ChatGPT to interrogate your beliefs using the Socratic method. By presenting a statement, ChatGPT will then pose inquiries to prompt your response, facilitating argument development. This approach is beneficial for individuals studying law, history, or seeking to enhance their logical reasoning skills. Number 10. Summarize points. You can request it to summarize text or provide a general topic for summarization. For instance, you could request ChatGPT to summarize information about ancient Rome and then prompt it with, "What are 5 key points I should know when studying the above topic?" This specific prompt will generate bullet points that you can use for studying, expanding your understanding. Number 11. Feynman technique. ChatGPT has the ability to explain complex concepts in language suitable for a second grader to comprehend. Essentially, it's akin to the Feynman technique, but with the assistance of AI. By instructing ChatGPT to summarize information in a manner understandable to a second grader. Number 12. Create flashcards. If you're an avid user of Quizlet, Anki, or any flashcard platform, you'll find this tip valuable. Creating flashcards can be time-consuming, and relying on pre-made ones may lack accuracy. However, ChatGPT can streamline the process by bulk creating flashcard questions and answers in a spreadsheet format. To do this, provide a prompt primed with a topic, such as in this example. Let's say the topic is photosynthesis. You can then instruct ChatGPT to generate a 2-column spreadsheet containing questions and corresponding answers on the specified topic. It will organize the information neatly, with questions aligned with their respective answers, making it easy for you to copy and paste into any flashcard software. Number 13. Live active recall. Self-testing is widely regarded as the most effective method for learning, with active recall questions being an evidence-based study technique. ChatGPT offers the capability to quiz you on any topic in real time. Instead of creating active recall questions for later use, you can prompt ChatGPT with a topic, such as GCSE biology, and have it assume the role of a teacher, presenting individual questions for you to answer directly in the chat window. This approach is engaging and enjoyable, providing a convenient starting point for immediate question-based learning. Number 14. Learn to code. Simply paste in your code or pose a question about coding principles, and ChatGPT can provide feedback or explanations. To facilitate problem-solving and hands-on learning, simply paste your work into the chat and ask ChatGPT for assistance. For example, you can request guidance on coding by providing a line of code and asking ChatGPT to explain its meaning in simple terms. Number 15. YouTube Notes. If you prefer learning from videos but struggle to retain information due to the passive nature of watching, you can utilize YouTube's transcription feature. Copy the video transcript and paste it into ChatGPT, asking for a summary of the key points. You can then test your understanding using methods like the Feynman technique or create your own study resources based on the summary. This approach is particularly useful if you're considering starting your own YouTube channel and need prompts to kickstart content creation. Thanks for tuning in to How to Learn Faster with ChatGPT. We hope these tips help you unlock your learning potential. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more educational content.